Cathode ray tube display. A cathode ray tube (CRT) display is a type of display technology that was widely used in older televisions and computer monitors. The CRT works by directing a beam of electrons onto a phosphor-coated screen, which emits light in response to the impact of the electrons. Here is a detailed explanation of the components of a CRT display and how they work. Connector pins. The CRT has a set of pins at the base that connect to the electronics that drive the display. The pins provide electrical connections for the various components of the CRT. Base. The base of the CRT houses the electronics that drive the display, including the electron gun and the deflection circuits. Electron gun. The electron gun is the source of the electron beam that is directed onto the screen. The gun consists of a heated cathode, which emits electrons, and an anode, which accelerates the electrons and directs them towards the screen. Control grid voltage. The control grid voltage is used to control the intensity of the electron beam. By adjusting the voltage of the control grid, the number of electrons that reach the screen can be controlled, which in turn controls the brightness of the displayed image. Focusing system. The focusing system uses a combination of magnetic and electric fields to focus the electron beam into a narrow, well-defined beam. This ensures that the electrons reach the screen with the correct energy and spread, resulting in a clear, sharp image. X deflect and Y deflect. The X deflect and Y deflect circuits are used to control the position of the electron beam on the screen. By adjusting the voltage on the deflector plates, the position of the beam can be changed, allowing the beam to be directed to different parts of the screen. Phosphor screen. The phosphor screen is coated with a layer of phosphors that emit light in response to the impact of the electrons. The phosphors are carefully chosen and arranged to produce the desired color and brightness of the display. Here is a step-by-step process of how a CRT display works. The electron gun heats the cathode, causing it to emit electrons. The anode accelerates the electrons and directs them towards the screen. The focusing system focuses the electron beam into a narrow, well-defined beam. The X deflect and Y deflect circuits adjust the position of the beam on the screen. The control grid voltage adjusts the intensity of the electron beam, controlling the brightness of the displayed image. The electrons hit the phosphor screen, causing the phosphors to emit light. The combination of the various components produces a visible image on the screen. CRT displays have since been replaced by more advanced display technologies, such as LCD and OLED displays, due to their size, weight, and power consumption. However, CRT displays remain an important piece of technology in the history of displays and continue to be used in specialized applications where their unique characteristics are required. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.